Hi, I'm Jennifer Marshall-Jenkinson, Chairman of the UK Microwave Technologies Association and author of the prize-winning cookbook Microwave Magic, The Art of 21st Century Cooking. Here we are in our bowl. We've got 175 grams of self-raising flour that I've sieved into the bowl. I'm going to add 175 grams of sugar, and I always use raw granulated sugar. I'm going to pop in 3 eggs. There we are. And 175 grams of butter. There we are. 100 mils of milk. Now I'm going to make a plain white sponge cake this afternoon, but if you wanted to make a chocolate sponge cake, all you'd have to add is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to mix this together. So there we've got our cake mixture well blended. Now I'm going to stir through a nice big glug of golden syrup. Through the mixture, not stirring it in too carefully so that the flavours come out. Now here's our baking dish, as it were. I've greased and lined this pudding basin and I've put into the bottom of it 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Now we're going to gently pour all the cake mixture into the bowl. There we are. I'm going to top it with a butter paper. You need to cover it with something, and a greased butter paper is perfect. And I'm going to cook this in the oven on a medium-high setting, which is about 700 watts of energy, for 8 to 10 minutes. And you'll see that it'll come out well risen and absolutely perfect.
Hang on a second, just back in just quickly.
So medium-high power setting for 8 minutes. And here's our pudding. It's had 8 minutes cooking on a medium-high power setting, approximately 700 watts. So let's have a look at our pudding here as it comes out. Now, we just want to leave it to stand just for 2 minutes, just so that the whole pudding can settle and that it comes away from the side of the bowl so that it doesn't stick to the bowl when we want to turn it out. So we've given it a couple of minutes now, and now the taste is in the turning out. So let's turn it upside down. And there we are. Steamed sponge pudding. Light as a feather, cooked in 8 minutes on medium-high power setting, delicious and very, very tender.